Last week, the CDC announced easing indoor and outdoor mask restrictions for people who've been fully vaccinated. Now, Oregon businesses are finding themselves in an uncomfortable position. NBC5's Jenna King reached out to the OHA to see what they're recommending businesses do. Jenna?
Craig, businesses are starting the week off with no new guidance from the Oregon Health Authority. The state told me today that they stand by the governor's statement last week, which allows businesses to implement their own regulations.
We are similarly confused and trying to look through and fully understand the various mask frameworks.
Even Oregon's largest county public health department is lost. Multnomah County Public Health Officer Dr. Jennifer Vine says it isn't giving direction just yet regarding masks rules at businesses.
Well, it feels kind of weird because we don't know for sure who's being vaccinated and who's not.
The CDC easing indoor and outdoor mask restrictions for people who've been fully vaccinated. Medford resident Andres Fernandez is also confused.
What's going to be like the rule, if it's going to be any to prove that you've been vaccinated in order to not wear a mask?
The Oregon Health Authority is working on new rules for businesses. Oregon State epidemiologist Dr. Dean Seidlinger says some businesses will likely require proof of vaccination.
We would anticipate that an establishment, a business, will have to have a system in place for asking about vaccine status.
But what exactly does that look like?
Right now, I would anticipate that would be seeing a card with the individual's name, the vaccines they've gotten and the date and where they've gotten them. That could be a picture of that vaccine card or record from their provider on their phone.
It's commonly called a vaccine passport, but the idea isn't widely supported.
Publicly have never supported the notion of a vaccine passport. Very few people have, because it really raises so many other policy questions around enforcement and equity questions.
And as businesses in Oregon and beyond try to figure out a new path forward, big name stores like Costco, Walmart, and Trader Joe's are already letting people walk in freely without masks. Businesses in Oregon are free to continue having mask mandates in place if they choose to. We'll let you know as soon as the OHA announces new rules. Live in studio, Jenna King, NBC5 News.